Okay, we are on the set of Disney Hotstar's Untitled web series and we are going to see कि यहाँ क्या हो रहा है. हम उत्तराखंड में हैं और अभी हम ड्राइव करके आए होटल से it took us 1 hour to reach up. Okay, so let's go and check it out कि यहाँ सेट कैसे लगा है यार, मुझे तो यही समझ नहीं आ रहा है. So where are we? Guys?
We are on a beautiful set of this upcoming Disney Hotstar show और हम लोग हैं उत्तराखंड में.
God, guys, it's really cold here. But Shravan को देखे नहीं लगेगा. But it's
I'm feeling very cold. I'm feeling very cold.
It's very cold. You're freezing. 4 layers. I'm wearing 4 layers.
But I think this is the धूप is really helping us.
Very.
And
That really helps.
yeah, I think उत्तराखंड की ये स्पेशलिटी है कि यहाँ पर ना दिन में बहुत अच्छी धूप मिलती है. So because of that धूप आपको ठंड कम लगेगी बट एक खूबसूरत सी अच्छी सी हवा जो छूके जा रही है ना, that really touched the
मैं
heart.
जम रही हूँ basically. And now we are going to the set. आज हो क्या रहा है ये सेट पे? इतना कलरफुल कैसे है सेट?
So you know about that, as I seen you, Shravan, are very colorful already. You know that you are coming to Uttarakhand. I don't know why I'm so sober and tan. But of course you know that Bhavna and Aina, of course we're going to make them more colorful by the end of the day.
I have a pop of color.
So Uttarakhand has all been known for they living the life because वो लोग इतनी हार्डशिप से गुजरते हैं और आप देख सकते हो जहाँ पर आने में आप लोग को बहुत you know
काफी दिक्कतें
हुई है हमें.
please talk
But हम
about
पहुंच
it.
गए हैं.
Yeah, it's not easy, guys.
It took us 1 hour to reach here from the hotel.
And also the lanes were very narrow.
Yeah,
As
but
it
it's
is.
beautiful.
But listen, that's something.
But not suggested
But that's
people
something a
have
lot of
anything
people
to
don't
do.
talk about, right? You see these things on screen, but you don't know the hardship
That
artists and the entire
course.
crew
Yeah.
goes through to actually reach a
So
location.
you have to tell us what the cast and the crew go through to reach here.
So every day, just careful because we really doing this trekking. Every day we begin in the 4 in the morning and it's not easy. And we can see, of course, this beautiful Cholia dance. We call it Cholia dance.
Okay, tell me a little bit about the show. What is the show about?
We are dying to tell this, not right now, but of course with the show also. So this show is all about how India meets Bharat.
Okay.
And as you understand, tagline इतनी interesting है. How a dysfunctional family comes from a city. वो यहाँ पर आके कैसे उत्तराखंडी लोगों से मिलते हैं, कैसे उन्हें अपनी ज़िंदगी के वैक्यूम्स के बारे में पता चलता है, कैसे ये चीज़ें आदान प्रदान होती है and how it impact into their own family life also because they get to know each other better. And
Away from the hustle life.
of course, like we all are going through the same thing, from morning till night we don't know who we are. So this is a whole beautiful journey जो हमने उत्तराखंड में देखी है, उत्तराखंड के लोगों के साथ देखी है. तो इसमें आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें देखने को मिलेगी. It's fun and of course this one major thing we are equally excited about is the star cast.
Yeah. I was about to ask actually because I'm very curious about this entire bunch of actors you've pulled together.
Yeah.
Like some very senior actors and then newbie actors as well. How did you decide on it?
So there was quite a journey for us because when we are making such unconventional show, तो उसके लिए बहुत ज़रूरी था कि जो कास्ट हम लोग ले रहे हैं ना, वो भी अपने आप में बहुत यूनिक हो.
Correct.
And we have seen Devendu always been like a Munna Bhai. It's very different character and we wanted to have this rich family, you know. So we decided like Devendu can be, you know, a rule breaker. He can come up and nobody has seen him, you know, in that
Avatar.
that avatar, like where he's wearing really expensive clothes. Thank you, Devendu. I'll take that compliment. And the person who's giving you this platform for doing it. But of course, he's equally excited about it because this is something he has never done before. We have Kusha Kapila on this show. I would say that not only she is an influencer, but she's a very hardworking woman. And what she's bringing on this platter is the character we have Kalki, it's her. So it's very easy for her to wear, you know, a Kalki skin and do it. She's bringing a lot of colors. There's a lot of input she's bringing. We have Vinay Pathak ji as a Himalaya. Vinay ji, we all know, we all big fan of his craft. एंड उनके भी बहुत सारे इनपुट्स जो है ना वो आते हैं. कई बार हम कैरेक्टर को भी नहीं समझ पाते हैं, लेकिन जो ईजीनेस से वो चीज़ों को लेकर आते हैं, दैट मेक अस मोर यू नो अंडरस्टैंड द कैरेक्टर. Of course, we have Mukti Mohan and I'm super happy because ये कैरेक्टर है जो पहाड़ी लड़की का था. I wanted her to pick up a dialect and I'm very happy that she put so much hard work for it because we did a dialect coaching for every people. So we wanted to pick them like not only Bal and Thera but पहाड़ी से बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं. So we tried hard.
Okay.
And we have of course there's a OTT debut with Bhagyashree.
Yeah.
Coming on board. So we're very thankful to Bhagyashree ma'am and
Is she playing like? Is it a central role? Cameo? Can you give us a bit of?
I don't want to actually. Sorry. I want you to go and watch it because this is something ice breaking for everyone. So guys, if you're watching this for the storyline and all the artists, Bhagyashree is one of the, you know, cherry on top, I would say that. And of course, we have a lot of local cast. We have employed a lot of local cast, the musicians, the Cholia dancers you just got to see, all the makeup artists, Mehndi artists. So there are a lot of people, the secondary and tertiary cast we have taken. We have Hemant Pandey ji, we have Atul Srivastav ji, we have Aditi Govitrikar in here. So of course, the beautiful faces and the good actors, you know, that's a major thing we had in mind. So yeah.
Looking forward. Yeah. This looks really amazing.
Thank you so much.
Tell us a little about the set today. Like, why?
What is happening?
What is happening here?
I mean, Shadi of course.
Of course, we are having Shadi.
I see that, but
but और थोड़ा details दीजिए please.
So you can see that this is a Shadi ka mandap, and Uttarakhandi Shadis are very different from the other wedding. And you can see the preparation again. We have this apan ka thing, all the painted all around it, because we wanted to ensure that इसको कहते हैं कि ये सौभाग्य लेकर भी आता है, तो ये बहुत ज़रूरी होता है कि ये शादी के मंडप पे हो. I wanted to show you a real person who's wearing the Uttarakhandi nath and the pichoda. Come, Namaskar, come please. I will help you wait. So you can see how pretty she is looking.
Wow, she's looking so pretty.
ये पहाड़ी नथ है अपनी और यही है जिसका साइज बढ़ता चला जाता है. और ये गले में है गुलबंद. ये इसको गुलबंद बोलते हैं. What the pretty dupatta she is wearing is called pichoda. ये हमारे जो भी अच्छे auspicious occasion होते हैं in उत्तराखंड, this is being wear by all the women. And ये pass on भी होता है, बहुओं को भी दिया जाता है ना, आगे बहुओं को दिया जाता है. So this is something, you know, a legacy is going forward.
How is she? So, is this a dupatta and a sari and a separate thing?
yeah, this is always separate. The dupatta is always
Pichoda is always separate thing.
Oh, okay. Done with few interviews. मतलब अगर weather अच्छा हो ना, so काम बहुत easy होता है. I have realized that Bombay के weather में it is so difficult to work, but here ठंडी ठंडी हवा चल रही है. It is so much fun to work and just chill in the hills, and I just love my job. That's why.